Raw material was firstly crushed into small particles. And then sent to feeding hopper. With screw feeder, such particles will go into grinder unit. Grinder connects with reducer box. An internal plate is turning around the middle axis. The powders will be grinded roller by roller, ring by ring, and fall down on the downturn plate. As the high pressure produces negative wind, and they will go further classifier with the airflow. All the powder will be classified by the high-speed turning classifier impeller. Qualified one will go into collector and filter bags. Big one will fall down and be grinded again. Most of the powders will fall into the collector. Discharged from valve. And few of them will go into baghouse with the airflow. With the high pressure, the powder will fall down into screw conveyor and discharged from valve. From the discharging valve, we can pack directly or use automatic packing machine. Or we can send them into big silo by the air transporting system. And then carried by the truck.